Hello everyone! Kumusta po ang lahat? Today is Tuesday. At the time is 5:45. So, say hi everyone. So, magbe-breakfast na si Amon, guys. Magbe-breakfast na si Amon. They are having, hindi ako kasama. They are having corned beef na may patatas. Yan. Nabusan kami ng egg. Tapos si Amon katatapos ng kumain ng cucumbers at saka fruits and vegetables. So every morning ganun ang ginagawa kasi namin. Ayan, katapos this is mine. Di pa ako tapos kasi habang gumagawa ako nagpre-prepare ako ng baon ni Amon, ginagawa ko, kumakain-kain din ako. And then ito yung pang ano na to, nakaubos na ako ng isang cup na guava tea. This is my another half. Yan, kaya ubusin ko yan mamaya. Yan guys. So, ito pa yung aming umaga. Ito pa ang aming morning. Nag-scripture study sila. Yan, ako mamaya pa pagka nakaalis na si Amon, yun na yung gagawin ko. Yan. Okay.
I have compassion on you. My vows are filled with mercy.
The location of the events portrayed in the Book of Mormon is unknown.
So guys, yung ating weather today, update ko lang kayo. Medyo ano na sa labas. So ito yung aming labas ngayon. Ayun. Pero medyo may ano na, may sunshine na sa ano, bandang Mabalacat. Bandang Mabalacat ata yan. Yan. So, yung basura siguro dadaan mamaya. Marami kang basura kasi kahapon hindi dumaan dahil nag-uulan talaga maghapon. Pero today, I'm sure dadaan na yon kasi maganda na yung panahon. Yan o. Hindi nga naman maganda mangolekta ng basura pag maulan kasi alam nyo na, madumi. No, madumi tingnan. Yan, so, ito pala guys yung ano namin, ginawa namin nung Friday, senior night sa aming family week. Ito yung sa akin. Ito yung sa akin. Yan. Yan. Ito yung kay daddy.
My mind knew that all of this was a movie, but my heart felt like I had walked into.
Anak, say a prayer muna. Hindi ka pa nagpe-pray. Daddy, magpe-pray muna, daddy. Okay, guys. Balikan ko kayo. Ay, guys. Sabi ni Amon, bakit mahaba na daw? Kasi sabi ko, short video lang to, pero napahaba na ako. Yan. So, kakain na sila. Kakain na si Amon kasi time is, ano na.
Mechanical and pyrotechnic special effects. Every stop this year is very detailed. It takes a lot of work.
Ano yung pinanonood? Ay, yung ano, yung video ni ano. Jesus Christ Descending. Ay, ang ganda ng pagkakagawa. Oh, ang galing, ano? Ang ganda. The making of yung making ng pagdating ni Jesus Christ sa ano, sa ancient America.
We've done 2 days of rehearsals, long plot rehearsals, and then today's my first day filming. When I first saw it, the little wires are so thin. I was like, I don't know how that's gonna hold a human body, but I didn't fall the first time, and they reassured me that they know what they're doing, and I trust them. So.
These moments, you know, we read about, and then to recreate them, it just brings it to life. Ye are my disciples.
Okay, okay guys, have a good day today. Ingat po kayong lahat. Ingat po tayong lahat.
This is the land of your inheritance.
Siguro sa ibang part ng Pilipinas is medyo maulan-ulan pa, pero
So it's always so
at least dito sa amin ngayon medyo medyo okay na. Nag-ano na siya. May sunshine na sa magbandang Mabalacat. Kaya
Consider myself pretty lucky.
thankful ako dahil maganda ng weather namin today. And I hope sa inyo rin guys, medyo okay rin yung inyong weather.
We're doing earthquakes, walls falling, people
Kain tayo guys ng ano,
falling.
pipino.
We've got buildings on fire.
We're going to flood the Jerusalem Center, right? And we have tons
Pipino at
of
saka
water.
pears yung kinain ko today. Tapos mamaya,
That's going to come down and tumble people over, and we have about
kanin
some
ako
guys
ng
who
ano.
are going to be running up the stairs, and they're going to get hit with the water, and they're going to tumble down.
Mangosteen. Pinasamantala namin guys, habang mura yung mangosteen, nakakain kami ng mangosteen. Actually, ako lang kumakain, hindi sila kumakain.
The people that are watching these incredible videos feel like
Pinaan lang nila sa akin. Masarap sa every morning. Kapartner ko yung tea, yung guava tea. Yung talagang pinapartner ko. It's either nagawa ko
That I may be in them, as thou, Father, art in me.
habang pinapalamig ko yung guava tea. Nagpapalamig ako sa cup.
With all this wonderful talent.
Nagpapapak na ako ng ano.
Extras.
Nagpapapak na ako ng cute, ng mga hiniwa-hiwa kong mga
so strong. Like when Jesus
cucumbers or kung ano-ano pang fruits.
I just wanna cry. I'm like,
Tapos, ano na yan, gumagawa na ako ng mga ginagawa ko, yung prepare ko na yung baon ni Amon, yung snack niya. Ngayon, hindi siya, medyo okay naman yung panahon, kaya hindi ko na siya pababaunin kasi parang nakakauwi siya, nakakain siya ng maayos. Kahapon, hinatiran lang siya ni Daddy ng lunch dahil talagang maulan-ulan. So, hindi masyadong maayos yung pagkain niya sa ganun. Kaya today, sabi namin, uwi ka na lang. Sunduin na lang siya for lunch para makakain naman siya ng maayos. Sabi na hindi niya gusto yung ulam kahapon dahil fish. Gusto na rin naman ng fish. Nakakain naman siya ng maayos ng fish dito sa ano. Kasi pagdating ng hapon,
And that is to help people to see
ng
that
dinner siya, may fish pa naman. Yung pa rin ang dinner namin.
that's really it.
Marami siya nakain. May sausaw na kalamansi. Kasi yun ang gusto niya
So one
talaga.
of my favorite parts was when Anthony was
guys-
preaching the Sermon on the Mount. I think there was a lot of tears that day.
Blessed are the poor in
Have a good day
spirit.
everyone.
Come unto me.
Ingat po tayong lahat. Lalong-lalo na po yung mga dinaanan po ng bagyo. Shout out po sa inyong lahat. Mag-ingat po kayo. At batiin ko lang po yung mga nagbe-birthday today. Happy birthday po sa lahat ng nagbe-birthday today.
Of God. Here
Saan
we come
sulok man
from
kayo
the
ng mundo.
background
Happy
like
birthday.
this.
Happy
My
birthday.
whole performance is simply giving
Ano mang
thanks.
problema ang hinaharap ng bawat isa, smile lang. Smile lang. Para
We've been looking at
good
how
vibes
the
lang
book of
tayo
Mormon
every
is
morning, every day.
interpreted
Good
and
vibes lang tayo lahat.
translated
Yan.
into a
Have a
video.
good day everyone. Please subscribe kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe.
To witness it
Amon.
with your own eyes. You have to really think
What
about
will you say, anak?
what did it look like?
Like,
What was the
share,
setting?
and subscribe,
What were
and
the
click that bell
characters?
for
What
more
was the
videos
dialogue?
like this.
Bakit ganun yung boses mo? Ulitin mo.
Interpret it. As we approached the season,
Ulit.
we started to write the scripts. One of the most important
Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and click that bell for more videos like this. Bye.
Bye.
we know